How's it going there, YouTube? Well, I just finished mowing the yard up here, and I wanted to do a little demonstration video for you guys. Just wanted to make a little recommendation. On these new lawnmowers, they have what's called a wash port on the deck. And it's suggested you do this if you cut a lot of wet grass, or if you just finished mulching up a bunch of wet leaves and whatnot. Because if you leave any of that stuff in there over the winter time, or if you just leave it in there in general, over time it'll eventually rot your mower deck out. And that's no good, because that's expensive to replace. So anyway, we'll get you guys flipped around here, and we'll get you a little demonstration. So that's the wash port on your mower deck. Your garden hose is threads into that. That's the tap. Of course, you got a bit of a long hose here. But anyway, I've never done this before either, so you guys are gonna we're gonna learn this together, all right? So I have heard another thing. If it does help if you have the mulch kit on the side of your mower, so you delete this chute and whatnot, and you just put the plastic door across. But I don't have one of those just yet, and well, for a chunk of plastic, I find they're rather expensive. This is really simple to do though, guys. So really, you turn the water on. Then you start your mower and put the blades into gear and wind her up. You're going to want to do that through a couple of cycles. I did a couple of 1-minute cycles, but it also doesn't hurt to get in there with a little bit of a putty knife first and just go around and scratch around a little bit inside of there and help take some of the big clumps off. But that's basically it, guys. It's pretty simple to do. If you like that little video, please comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.